Bega alone must face the alien Varga. Join with Bega to defeat.
I am Bega. It is my final task to save this planet from the alien Varga.
And I am Luna. I can lead Bega to fabulous powers. Catch me, warrior. Catch me. Catch me. Catch me, warrior. Catch me. Catch me.
There you go, chum. Bring me in on the team. Got some of them special powers myself.
Consumes all things in all forms, Bega.
He is called Bega, last of the Earth Warriors. Bega alone must face the alien Varga, who has cut a path of destruction across the continents. I, Luna, can bring Bega friends like Joe, who can provide a barrier shield. Or Sony, the teleporter, who can transport